Assalamu alaikum students, I am here with the science subject of class 1. Today I will deliver the lecture number 3 and you will start your unit number 2, the senses. I want you to open your book of science, page number 9. In your previous lectures, you have learned about human body, different body parts and their jobs. Today we will learn more about body parts. These parts are related to our senses. That's why they are called sense organs. Today we will learn that we have 5 senses, we have 5 sense organs, and we use different parts of our body to sense the world around us. On the screen you can see few words from your lesson. You have to learn their spellings and write them in your notebooks. Let's talk about the topic. We have 5 senses and these are sight, hearing, smell, taste, touch. You can see a picture on the screen, the senses with the sense organs. And the organs are eyes, ears, tongue, nose, and the skin of the body. Dear students, our senses tell us what is happening around us. हमारे गिर्द जो भी कुछ हो रहा होता है वो हमें हमारी सेंसेस बताती हैं. हम अपनी आंखों से देख सकते हैं, अपने कानों से आवाज़ें सुन सकते हैं. They help us to enjoy the life. They can also save us from danger. How they can save us from danger? जब हम रोड क्रॉस करते हैं तो हमारी सेंसेस हमें अलार्म करती हैं, कोई बस आ रही है या गाड़ी आ रही है. We are not supposed to move. इसी तरह कहीं आग लगी हुई हो तो हमारी सेंसेस हमें अलर्ट कर देती हैं. How do we use the senses? Our first sense is sight. We see with our eyes. We can see how big or how far something is. We can see colors and we can see shapes. We can see how near the things are or how far something is. We can see the big things and the small things. We can also see the colors and the shapes. The next sense is hearing. We hear sounds with our ears. We can hear the loud sounds and soft sounds. We can hear sounds that are near us and some that are far away. We can hear the loud, noisy sounds as well as the soft music. The next sense is smell. We smell with our nose. Some things smell pleasant, others smell bad or unpleasant. The next sense is taste. We taste things with our tongue. We can taste sweet, sour, bitter, and salty foods. Whatever we eat, we taste it with the help of our tongue. The last sense is touch. We can touch and feel with the skin on our body. We can feel if something is hard or soft, sharp, rough or smooth, or hot, warm or cold. Can you tell me the coffee is hot or cold? Yes, it is hot. When I touch the teddy bear, I feel it soft. Okay students, I hope you could understand the topic. Now open your page number 11 and keep a pencil in your hand. We will solve the concept check. Write the part of the body which is used for each of the 5 senses listed below. Choose the words from the box. We have to choose the right option. The first one is taste. We taste things with the help of tongue. The right answer is tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. The next is smell. We smell things with the help of nose. N-O-S-E, nose. The next is hearing. We hear sounds with the help of ears. E-A-R-S. Next one is touch. We can feel touch with our skin. S-K-I-N, skin. The last one is sight. We can see with our eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. This is your home assignment. You have to do the page number 25 on your science book. I hope you could understand the lesson. For more explanation, there is a short video attached after the screen. Watch the video. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Little Fox.
My 5 senses. I have 5 senses. I see with my eyes. I see the frog jumping. I hear with my ears. I hear the bird singing. I smell with my nose. The roses smell good. I taste with my tongue. The candy tastes sweet. I touch with my hands. The ice feels cold. Whatever I do, I use my 5 senses.